Set your oven to 425 degrees. For 16 drumsticks, you'll need 1/2 cup of olive oil, 4 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 2 pinches of red pepper flakes, 3 teaspoons of dry oregano, and 4 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Clean and dry the chicken and generously season with salt and pepper. Put all the ingredients in your bowl and whisk together well. Coat your chicken thoroughly in the marinade mixture. And place in an alternating pattern in a shallow roasting pan. Pour the remainder of the sauce on the chicken. Roast it for 45 minutes or until it reaches 165 degrees. Then you have a beautiful dinner. Baked garlic paprika chicken. Serve it with potatoes or vegetables or stuffing and a salad. And don't forget to practice safe shopping and always wear your mask.